Though still very much a mystery, the origin of the beloved arancini ball is said to have originated just south of Naples on the island of Sicily in the 10th century. And for this version, we'll be adding our own twist by swapping the conventional risotto rice with our new Napolina Orzo. Begin by making the marinara dipping sauce by adding Napolina Olio to a pan, followed by the onion, oregano, chili flakes, salt and pepper to your liking, Napolina chopped tomatoes and basil, then mix together on a medium heat for 20 minutes. Next, dry fry the smoked pancetta until the fat begins to render, then add in the cooked Napolina Orzo, egg yolks, parmesan cheese and mix together until all combined, then leave to cool completely. While the Orzo cools, add the breadcrumbs, remaining parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, and mix together, then crush using your hands as if you're making shortbread to make these delicious parmesan breadcrumbs. Grab a handful of the Orzo and flatten it into your palm, placing a chunk of mozzarella in the middle, then mold the Orzo around it, forming a ball. Next, roll the arancini ball in flour, followed by egg, and then lastly in the parmesan breadcrumbs, ensuring it is covered entirely. The perfect oil to fry these arancini balls in is our Napolina Olio Da Cucina. Fill a deep saucepan and heat to 180 degrees C, then fry the arancini balls in batches for around 5 minutes until golden and crispy. Then plate up and serve hot with the marinara sauce for a seriously tasty dish you'll be craving as soon as you've tried it.